If you're driving a pickup in 2025, chances are you've thought about protecting that open bed space. A tonneau cover keeps your gear safe, improves fuel efficiency, and gives your truck a cleaner look. But with so many types, hard folding, soft roll-up, tri-fold, low profile, it can be hard to know what actually works for your setup. In this video, we've narrowed it down to 6 of the best tonneau covers available right now. Whether you haul tools, groceries, or gear, there's something here for you. Product links for everything mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Rough Country Hard Tri-Fold Cover. Rough Country has built a solid name around rugged truck accessories, and their hard tri-fold tonneau cover sticks to that formula. If you're after a straightforward hard cover that can handle weather, provide decent security, and won't empty your wallet, this is a strong place to start. It's made with durable aluminum panels that are strong enough to shield your cargo from the elements, but light enough to manage solo. The tri-fold design makes it easy to open and close, and each section locks into place securely, so your gear stays protected whether you're on the highway or parked overnight. Installation is about as simple as it gets. No drilling, just clamp it on. The entire unit comes pre-assembled, so all you really need is 10 to 15 minutes and a socket wrench. Built-in weather seals run along the edges to help keep out rain, snow, and dust. While it's not 100% watertight, it does a solid job keeping the bed dry under normal driving conditions. The matte black finish gives it a clean look that pairs well with most modern truck designs. It's a little bulkier than premium low-profile covers and weighs around 70 to 80 pounds, so it's not the lightest option out there. But it gets the job done without any fuss. For the price, it's a reliable hard-folding cover that brings strength, decent weather resistance, and an easy setup. If you're looking for value without cutting corners, the Rough Country Hard Tri-Fold is worth checking out. Number 5. Gator Tri Fold Soft Cover. If you're looking for an easy, budget-friendly way to cover your truck bed, the Gator Tri Fold Soft Cover is a solid entry point. It's lightweight, straightforward, and doesn't require any tools to install, making it a favorite for casual drivers and first-time tonneau cover buyers. The soft top is made from tear-resistant vinyl stretched over a sturdy aluminum frame. That combination keeps the cover flexible and light, while still offering decent support across the bed. Its tri-fold setup means you can access your gear quickly, just unclamp and flip it forward. Need to load taller cargo? You can fold the entire cover up and secure it against the cab in seconds. One of its biggest strengths is installation. It comes fully pre-assembled and takes under 10 minutes to clamp onto your truck bed. No drilling, no complicated hardware. Once it's on, it fits snugly with most standard bed rails, giving it a low-rise, but not completely flush look. This cover isn't built for heavy snow loads or high-theft environments. It doesn't have a locking mechanism, and the side seals aren't as tight as what you find on a hard cover. But for dry weather driving and light-duty hauling, it holds up just fine. Overall, the Gator Tri Fold Soft Cover is a great pick for anyone who wants quick access, minimal hassle, and a clean, covered bed without spending a fortune. Number 4. Lomax Tri Fold Hard Cover. For truck owners who care as much about appearance as they do protection, the Lomax Tri Fold Hard Cover offers a clean, low-profile solution with a premium finish. It's built with lightweight aluminum alloy panels and designed to sit nearly flush with the bed rails, giving your truck a streamlined look without sacrificing strength. You can choose between a matte black or diamond plate finish, both of which offer durability and weather resistance. The tri-fold design uses a simple, smooth hinge system, and each fold locks automatically as it's closed. With the tailgate locked, the cover can't be opened, adding an extra layer of security for your gear. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any drilling. The clamp-on system takes about 20 to 30 minutes to fully set up, and once it's in place, the cover feels solid and secure. Weather seals are integrated into the design to help block out rain, snow, and debris, and they hold up well in harsher climates. At just around 50 pounds, it's noticeably lighter than many other hard covers in its class, making it easier to handle during install or removal. While it sits at a slightly higher price point than some mid-range options, the fit, finish, and reliability justify the cost. If you're after something sleek, secure, and built to handle year-round use without standing out too much, the Lomax Tri Fold Hard Cover checks all the right boxes. Number 3. Leer HF650M. If you're aiming for that clean, flush look with near-silent performance, the Leer HF650M delivers exactly that. It's one of the few quad-fold hard covers on the market that combines strength, sleek styling, and ultra-quiet operation, all in one well-built package. Instead of aluminum, the panels are made from fiberglass-reinforced polymer, which adds strength while keeping the cover lightweight and corrosion-resistant. The ultra-low-profile design sits nearly level with your bed rails, giving your truck a refined, streamlined look from every angle. Functionally, it's built for ease. The hidden latch system allows for one-hand operation, No tugging, no rattling, no exposed handles. It folds neatly into 4 sections, giving you full access to the bed when needed. And when it's open, you can secure it against the cab to haul taller items without removing the cover. The matte black finish blends well with most factory trim packages. It's also compatible with tailgate assist and works alongside many factory bed rail caps. Installation is tool-free and straightforward, using a clamp-on system that holds everything in place without needing to drill. It supports up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight, making it practical for both work and weekend trips. It's priced slightly higher than the typical Tri Fold Hard covers, but the added polish, quiet function, and build quality justify the cost. For truck owners who value a flush look, smooth performance, and a cover that doesn't draw attention while doing its job well, the HF650M is an excellent pick. Number 2. Truxedo TruXport. For those who want a solid, budget-friendly cover without the hassle of tools or complicated parts, the Truxedo TruXport offers a simple, soft, roll-up design that's built to last. It's designed with industrial-grade leather-grain vinyl that looks sharp and holds up well against sun, rain, and light snow. Beneath the surface, crossbows run along the bed to keep the cover tight and supported. These built-in bows help the cover maintain a flat, even surface, especially important when you're driving at highway speeds or dealing with changes in weather. The cover sits about 1.5 inches above the bed rails, so it's not completely flush, but it still looks neat and well-fitted. A manual tension control system at the rear lets you adjust the tightness depending on temperature or bed movement, which helps prevent sagging over time. Velcro-style sealing strips run along both sides to keep water and debris out while still allowing quick access. Installation is a major win here. There's no need for drills, clamps, or extra hardware. The whole setup takes about 20 to 30 minutes and can easily be done solo. Just align it with the rails, tighten the tension, and you're ready to go. While it's not the most secure option for high theft areas, you do get added peace of mind when the tailgate is locked. For daily drivers and anyone hauling lighter loads around town, it provides solid protection and a clean look. Overall, the TruXport is a reliable roll-up option for those who want durability, easy access, and straightforward setup, all at a price that makes sense. Number 1. Bakflip MX4 Gen 3. When it comes to heavy-duty protection and premium build quality, the Bakflip MX4 Gen 3 stands out as a top-tier option. It's built with hard aluminum panels coated in a matte finish that resists scratches, dents, and UV damage, making it one of the most durable covers in its class. The low-profile design keeps the cover nearly flush with the bed rails, giving your truck a clean, modern look while still offering serious protection. It supports up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight, so loading gear on top isn't an issue. You get full bed access thanks to its upright folding feature, which uses integrated prop rods to hold the panels securely against the cab. It also includes a dual-action tailgate seal that allows the tailgate to open or close with the cover up or down, no need to adjust one before the other. Security is handled by a latch system located underneath the panels, which stays hidden and locked in place when the tailgate is closed. For weather protection, rubber seals and built-in drain tubes help direct water away from your cargo. Installation is drill-free and uses a simple clamp-on system that fits most trucks with standard or short beds. Despite being on the pricier side, the MX4 offers strong overall value for what it delivers, especially for those who rely on their truck daily. Whether you're using it for job site tools or weekend gear, the Bakflip MX4 Gen 3 offers a great balance of strength, security, and clean styling that holds up over time. That wraps up our list of the top 6 tonneau covers for 2025. Whether you're after a soft roll-up, a hard folding design, or something with a premium finish, there's an option here for every style and budget. All product links are in the description below if you want to check them out. If this helped, give it a like, drop a comment, or subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.